Hello, my name is Tim Cody, Senior Director of Innovation at Neustar. Today I'm going to be talking about how Neustar is opening up the fast-growing world of SMS to the fixed-line subscribers. TextEverywhere solution enables end users to use the SMS service without being tied down to a device as they are today. Texting has become a ubiquitous form of communication for many people, whether it be social media such as Twitter and Facebook, weather notifications, or voicemail alerts. Texting has become an important way of life for many of us. Last year, 3.2 trillion text messages were sent or received in North America. This all happened on a competitor's wireless network. Analysts believe that text messaging will continue to grow, and the younger generation actually uses text messaging as a primary form of communication, even over voice. Today, wireline subscribers cannot send or receive text messages using their wireline telephone number. Until now. Neustar's new innovative service, TextEverywhere, enables wireline subscribers to send and receive text messages from anywhere, whether it be your home, your office, or even an airplane. Today, whenever they want to send a text message, they pull out a competitor's device and send a text message. What TextEverywhere is really designed to do is to enable you to offer those services to your customers. So they don't pull out a competitor's device, they use your service. So now I'm going to demonstrate the TextEverywhere service by sending a text message from my Verizon wireless cell phone to my wireline telephone number. Text message is sent, and now the text message has been received by all of my variety of clients, including a web interface, email, iPod, iPhone, iPad, and Android, and Microsoft Outlook, and last but not least, on my television set. So now I'm going to demonstrate how parental controls works within the Neustar TextEverywhere service. So a parent has the ability to go in and add a new rule, which I did, and I'm going to call it parental as the rule. This rule has set up for every incoming text message that the child receives, the parent can get an email. How this works is the parent creates an action. They can then forward the text message to parent@parent.com. At this point, once this rule has been created and saved, every time their child sends or receives a text message, they will get an email with that text message. The parental control function of TextEverywhere enables a parent to monitor their child's texting activities. This functionality is difficult to achieve in a wireless world. However, with TextEverywhere, it is really easy for a parent to set up. They would go into TextEverywhere web interface, create a rule that says anytime a child sends or receives a text message, they get a copy of that text in an email. Enterprise users use text messaging extensively if they're allowed to. Some companies, text messaging isn't even allowed. But if it is allowed, the enterprise users are actually using a competitive network. They're using Verizon Wireless or AT&T as a network and not using your services. Business users today use Microsoft Outlook as a primary productivity tool to send and receive email. Neustar's TextEverywhere has created a plugin that seamlessly integrates into your existing Microsoft Outlook client. So now, your wireline telephone number, your desk phone that sits on your desk, can actually be SMS enabled. So when a text message is sent to your phone, it will actually show up in your Microsoft Outlook. So I'm going to demonstrate by sending a text message to my office telephone number. This text message will be then automatically received into TextEverywhere, which I can then either view or I can reply back to that text message, and it seamlessly works. Today, many companies ban text messaging due to Sarbanes-Oxley or SOX compliance. The reason for this is there's no audit trail. Email has an audit trail, traditional text messaging does not have an audit trail. Neustar's TextEverywhere service enables an audit trail. For every text message that is sent or received by an employee, an email is created and can be sent to the IT department of the company for storage using the existing processes for storing email and creating audit trails that they have today. So today, operators offer voice and data services in enterprises. However, these services can easily be moved from one operator to another, and the voice, because of number portability, the telephone number stays with the voice. However, with TextEverywhere, you can offer an SMS service as well. So now if the customer is going to port from one carrier to another, and the other carrier doesn't have the texting service, this may be a reason to stay. Neustar's TextEverywhere service is a cloud-based service, and as such requires no capital expenditures. The only thing required is software and access to the internet. In summary, Neustar's TextEverywhere service offers the following benefits: seamless provisioning integration with the number portability database and your existing OSS systems, texting to any wireline telephone number, texting to any wireless telephone number, a multitude of applications including iPhone, iPad, television, Android, email, and lastly, integration into social networking such as Twitter and Facebook. The key point is Neustar's TextEverywhere service enables texting to wireline subscribers. The service enables a rich user experience to enable texting anyplace, anywhere, anytime. TextEverywhere is a cloud-based service and as such requires very little to no initial investment and no capital expenditures. To find out more about Neustar's innovative new solution, Text Everywhere, you can find us on the web at neustartexteverywhere.biz or email at solutionsteam@neustar.biz.